What's up everyone? In this video we will be going over how to make an advanced command handler. Uh, the greatest advantage of this one is that it will run your commands faster, and I will get more into that when we continue on with this video. So I got my code right here. What you want to do now, this is the basic command handler that I coded in the last video. If you haven't seen that already, do check it out, because based off this we are gonna edit this and add some stuff. So if you want to get this first, then go check out my other video. So first thing what we want to do is write const fs equals require fs. What we want to do then is create a client dot commands equals new collection. Const for commands equals fs dot read director sync. And what we want to do now is create a new folder in our tutorial book, and I am gonna call this commands. This is where all my commands are gonna be placed in. So what we want to do is now get that folder, and how we get that folder is we do /commands/ that gives us the folder, and now we're gonna add a filter file dot ends with .js. So basically what this then does is check if the file is a JavaScript file, so that it only gets the JavaScript files out of the commands. What we want to do then is for const file of commands, open up with some curly brackets, const command equals require, and now you want to get like this apostrophe, and then put in /commands/ then a $sign, curly brackets, file. Then what we want to do is client.commands.set command.name command. Alright, so what we want to do now is make some edits in our on message thing right here. So what we're going to do is const command equals args.shift dot to lowercase. And now if command equals ping, what we want to do is get rid of this, client.commands.get ping.execute message and the args. Alright, so I'm gonna get rid of this for a little bit. There we go. Save that, and now what we want to do is actually create our our command. So how we do that is add a new file to the commands folder, and I'm gonna call this ping.js, and what we want to do now is const discord equals require discord.js module.exports equals, what this does is it gets like the file right here and makes sure that this part works and that it can actually execute and get the command, the file. Now I'm gonna add a name, so I'm gonna name this Bing, which is necessary because that's how the command gets it. And now description equals this command pings a user. And what we want to do now is execute message args. So this executes the command, and then we want to open that up with another curly bracket. And now we can, for example, set message.reply. Boom. Alright, so if I save this now and enter node space dot, and if I go to the Discord server now, you can see that the bot has just come online, and I can enter in ping, and it sends my name and boom. And if I wanted to add another folder to this, I can do the same thing as the basic command handler. I can do else if command equals, for example, YouTube, and then I'm gonna client.commands.get YouTube execute message args, and then I'm going to add a new file, youtube.js const discord equals require discord.js, and then module.exports equals name YouTube description sends a link to my YouTube channel, and then execute message and args, and then open that up with a curly bracket, and then, for example, message.channel.send here is a link to my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to have to quickly get my actual YouTube link real quick. So just like that, and if I save this, Control C, node space dot, and if I now enter in question mark YouTube, here's a link to my YouTube channel. That is how you add a basic command handler, and it's just, you can keep on adding commands to the commands folder and just keep on coding else if command equals etc etc, and you can just keep on adding stuff to this. And the index file just reads this faster because it's basically just 2 lines of code in here, and if it's not ping, then it will immediately go over to YouTube. And if I were to add the entire command in here, it will get messy because it will have to read all the lines, and it will just make it slow. So this is a way better option, and I'm going to be doing the other tutorial videos based off this command handler as well. So I definitely suggest you use this one, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please consider to subscribe because that would mean a lot to me. And I hope you all have a great day. Peace out.